As a result, Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra could be the first device to incorporate this technology, which might greatly improve the user experience. A reputable source allegedly spread a story a few months ago that Samsung was getting rid with the Plus model with the S24 series. However, it is obvious from the codename that this is not the case. You see, Samsung isn't always setting the pace for innovation in battery and charging speed. The business is well behind the competition in the fight for quick charging. Samsung's charging capabilities have not even reached 50 W compared to businesses like Xiaomi and Oppo, who have achieved 200 W. Even their most recent flagship still provides 45 W charging. Despite the fact that Samsung is obviously not interested in dominating the fast charging market, the S24 Ultra might provide much faster charging rates than 45 W. Rumors suggest that the S24 Ultra might provide 65 W of quick charging, while the standard S24 and S24 Plus will only be able to provide 25 W and 45 W. How will they accomplish it? Well, by investigating a new technology that would also enable it to accommodate larger batteries. It is known as stacked batteries. The batteries in our phones now employ winding technology, which is fundamentally different from stacked batteries. In simple words, let me state this: cathode and anode cells are arranged in a cylindrical form in winding technology, while they are stacked vertically like bricks in a wall in stacking technology. We can now use more energy in a smaller area because to this. For greater accuracy, it may raise the energy density by more than 10%. By converting to the stacking procedure, you may generate a 5,500 mAh battery in the same footprint as a 5,000 mAh battery, for instance, assuming you're currently using the winding method. Additional benefits include a 10% improvement in battery cycle life and a 10% decrease in manufacturing costs for manufacturers. Samsung is reportedly including this technology in cell phones, according to a reputable South Korean magazine. This technology is already present in electric automobiles. And according to a different report, Samsung is testing stacked batteries in China as part of a pilot production run before putting them to use in the S24 Ultra. The S24 and S24 Plus will continue to utilize batteries built using winding technology, it adds, adding that for the time being they only want to use it on the S24 Ultra. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.